Hey everybody, Mike Pfeiffer here with Pfeiffer Hobby Supply. This video is going to be a little bit different. As you guys probably know, I like the Indy turbine car, the Paxton turbine car from Andy Granatelli, 1966 or 67. I bought a kit recently, a 143rd metal kit, and we're going to take a look. All I did was take some pictures of it during the build, but I'm going to show it to you right here on the shelf, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, here's the completed model. I was real happy with the way this thing went together. No problems whatsoever, really, other than my fat fingers being too big for some of the small parts, and some of those parts being the mirrors. Let me give you an idea of how big this car is. It's not very large, and there was about 30 pieces to it, which doesn't seem like a lot, but you have to take into consideration, with the exception of the tires and the windscreen, it's all cast metal parts. And by the way, I just tried out the Tamiya spray paint on this, and I am extremely happy with the way the paint went on, and extremely happy with the clear coat. And as you can see, the decals went on very nicely too. Those were by IndyCar decals or something on on eBay. I'll post a picture of the decal card, but it was an extremely nice decal set. They went on nicely. I don't know what else to say about this thing aside from the fact that it was just a really enjoyable model to build, and I have never built an all-metal model before. But we're going to post some still pictures and stuff during the build, and I hope you enjoy it. Well, hope you enjoyed that short little kind of a photographic journey of the build of the turbine car. And as usual, thanks for watching.